We will restore this photograph into stunning 4K clarity.
Captured in the 1920s, this portrait embodies an era of distinctive fashion. We preserve it with gloved hands.
Skulls in me. The careful placement and high-resolution scanning of antique photographs is crucial. This preserves every fine detail.
Now, the dust and scratch removal stage. We must carefully eliminate these imperfections using precise tools.
The healing tool is great for reconstructing missing areas, carefully matching color and texture. Let's zoom in to see the detail as the face is restored.
Notice the improved tonal balance here. Levels expands the contrast, bringing back definition. Correct. And curves allows for
distance. The process of historical colorization requires meticulous research, drawing inspiration from genuine 1920s.
The importance of maintaining realism and avoiding an artificial look. Witness the transformation from damaged to crystal clear 4K. Restoring photographs preserves history.
We will restore this photograph into stunning 4K clarity. Capture the essence of the 1920s.
The ProScan 8000 captures every detail. High-resolution scanning preserves the fine nuances of this vintage photo, making
Profitous. Now we begin the dust and scratch removal stage. Careful retouching is vital to preserve every original cell detail.
Next, use the brush or healing tool to fix major tears and rebuild missing areas. Look closely, color and texture are matched precisely. Analyzing historical sources to select the perfect 1920s palette, we see the transformation. The portrait. Applying a high-pass filter, we see immediate sharpening. Crucial is maintaining realism, not an artificial look.
from a damaged portrait to crystal clear 4K. Restore the past, preserve history. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.
We will restore this 120-year-old photograph, bringing it back to stunning 4K clarity.
Edition. Captured in the 1920s, a testament to an era of distinctive fashion. We preserve this history.
Using a high-resolution scanner is crucial to capture every fine detail of a damaged photograph. The gloved hands represent the care artists. The journey begins with dust and scratch removal, a critical first step. Observe the editing software carefully eliminating.
Now we address major damage like tears and imperfections. Using the healing or brush tools, we reconstruct missing areas.
Notice the faded tones. Let's adjust levels for contrast. Now,
Curves to enhance the.
Let's move into colorizing this portrait. We need to carefully select realistic skin tones and clothing colors inspired by 1920s.
Demonstrate sharpening and detail enhancement using high-pass filters or AI enhancement tools. Explain the importance of maintaining realism and avoid.
Witness the difference, from full HD to the stunning detail of 4K. The power of AI upscaling. Witness the journey from damaged fragments to crystal clear 4K, preserving history.
We will restore this photograph into stunning 4K clarity.
This portrait, captured in the 1920s, shows an era of distinctive fashion. Through scanning and enhancement,
High-resolution scanning preserves every fine detail of your vintage photos. The digital file is now ready for professional restoration. Welcome to the dust and scratch removal stage. Precise editing software is used to carefully eliminate small imperfections. Here is a split. I will show you how to repair major damage like tears or missing areas using the brush tool and healing tool. We will carefully match color. Notice the initial faded image. Adjusting curves improves the tonal balance. Watch as the contrast increases.
Through meticulous historical color research and careful selection, this vintage portrait of a 1920s woman comes back to life.
Notice the initial softness. See how the digital tool enhances the details of her eyes and hair. Begin the 4K upscale process. See the resolution increase while preserving original detail. Compare Full HD and 4K before and after. Restoring photographs preserves history. Like, subscribe, and follow for more restoration content.